The HP Color LaserJet CP 2020 printer series is perfect for businesses wanting to save time and money by bringing high-quality printing in-house. If you're a small work team looking for a reliable color printer that's fast, professional, and easy to use for all your sales, marketing, and business documents, this is it. Perfect for creating professional standard documents on demand. It combines HP Image RET 3600 and enhanced HP ColorSphere toner for brighter colors, glossier finishes, crisper text, and realistic photos on a variety of media. Thanks to an innovative space-saving design, you can produce all of this and more directly from your desktop. The proven all-in-one HP cartridge design delivers consistent results, and you'll be more productive with fast print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black or color. You can even save on money and resources with the option of two-sided printing if you choose the HP CP 2025 DN model. Your printer is always ready for action, with the first page out being delivered instantly, even from low power mode. With free HP marketing tools, you can easily create high-impact marketing materials on your own, without a design agency or copy shop. Proofread your documents before you use our print resources with HP PrintView software, and assess the costs involved ahead of a project for more streamlined planning with the HP Cost Estimator. Replace the reliable print cartridges quickly and simply via the Easy Access door. Reach the features and status reports for this printer through a single print driver, and share the efficiency of this printer with your whole team using built-in fast Ethernet networking. All of this advanced functionality can be navigated using the intuitive control panel with two-line backlit display. The HP Color LaserJet CP 2020 printer series, the smart answer to your professional standard printing needs.